Hi chickens, welcome back to my channel. It's Angela here, of course, and I have some very exciting news for you today. I've got a brand new kit, and it's part of a collaboration kit that I have done with Rachel from RachandBella Crafts. So I hope that you're going to be excited to share what I have to show you today. All right, now just a little bit before I give you a little flip through here, there's going to be a YouTube collaboration which starts on the 15th of March, so that's not too far away. There will be 60 different 60 tutorials on YouTube that are going to be shared with you over the next 4 weeks, and these are going to be done by the most amazing creators. We're all working together to help you build the perfect journal piece by piece. Yeah, so more info is to come later in the week. Now Rach will also be putting together a video which should be posted today as well, so do go and pop over and see her half of the kit and more information about that. All right, the kit itself, it's called The Garden Story and is available it's a 4-part kit. So I've got 2 bits and Rach has got the other 2 bits that she's designed. All right, so the first one from me is journal pages and background pages. Rach will have the same on her side. And then the second kit from each of us is an ephemera and add-on kit. All right, so these are available in both of our shops. So Rach has got an Etsy shop and a Ko-fi site. I will put the links in the description box. They are there for you to go and click on and have a look. And mine is available on my website shop, angelakerrdesigns.com. The link's also below, as well as my Etsy shop. All right, now very exciting is just for the launch of this, we are going to be offering these kits on a great discount to you at 40% off. All right, so that is off all of the kits from both Rachel's site and mine, and you can pop over to either one of those shops to pick those up. All right, this is to help you purchase your kits in advance and have everything ready for the start of the event, which starts, as I said, on the 15th of March, so not long to go. There is going to be a schedule and a list of prompts that will be released at the start of the collaboration. All right, so that's all I needed to tell you. Right, so I've got my kits here in front of me. These are the printouts of my digitals. I will also be putting together a printed kit, as will Rachel. So for those of you that don't have a printer, and there are quite a few of you. Right, so everybody's able to partake, whether you have a printer or not. You can follow along with us. We do it in a US letter size as well as an A4 size, PDF, JPEG, everything you need. So come on and join the fun. I'm really excited about this. Right, let's have a look at the garden story. So here are the journal pages, as I said. Here's the first one. Beautiful greens, aquas, blues, lemons, creams, just it's all in here. And here's the very first page. So yeah, we've got little critters amongst us here. So here's a little hedgehog. I've got birds, butterflies, bees, and Rachel's is even more beautiful. So go and have a look. So here's the first page. Here's the second page, and I got a little squirrel. Couldn't resist the little animals because it's springtime, and you know they're all coming out from hibernation and the garden is full of life. I'm looking at my birds in the tree thinking, where's the breakfast? Right, so we've got lots of gardening going on here. Yeah, really pretty. Oh, I had to add Abby in here. That's my Abby. Isn't she cute? Running in the meadows with this lovely lady working in the garden, and the butterflies. Of course, the butterflies have to feature. All right, so I'm going to stop talking because I've got lots to get through today. We've got the garden shed, and a little relaxing after a hard day's work in the garden with a nice cool drink. Who doesn't like that? Then I've got a couple of double pages. So we've got those, another one with the greens and then the blues. Gardener in training, that's me. Oh, this one chopped off. I didn't check this properly, as you can see. It doesn't look like that. It does go to the end. Right, so these would be the writing pages. And here's the blue one. So the green one's the same. I don't know what happened to my printer there. Right, so there we go, and these are great for adding writing prompts, all the details you need to write in the garden, your planning, and that sort of thing. All right, so I love this page. It's like a beautiful watercolor view of the garden and all that's going to blossom in there. And then we have another one with some yellows. I do love the colors in this kit. Right, so we've got that, and then if I can get it, then I've got this page. Now, this is a beautiful page, all the bits and elements to do with gardening. I really love this. It's on a lovely soft aqua background, so love this. But I also love this page because I love fussy cutting all these bits out and using them in my journal. All right, got some seed packets here, some vintage seed packets. And I couldn't help myself, so I had to do another one, as you do. All right, so those are your 12, I think that's 12 or 13 journal pages there. Yeah, 12 or 13, can't remember now. And then I've got background pages, so we've got quite a few of those. 13 background pages. This is 12 journal pages. So we've got this lovely the blues. We've got the soft greens. And we've got the aqua. All right, so we've got those three. Then I've got some larger distressed gingham pages because I thought this really goes well with gardening. So I've got it in the soft green, the soft yellow, and they're sort of mottled. So I really like that. And then the bluish tone. Okay, and of course, again, some distressed polka dots in the blue, the yellow, and the aqua. All right. Yeah, I had fun making these. Then we've got some floral pages. So we've got this one. And we've got a blue as well. Really lovely. And then just couldn't help myself and added this one as a last one. So I really want a little bit, these are soft colors, so they really look beautiful with the kit. All right, so that's your journal and background pages. There's 25 pages in there. Usually I do these as separate kits, but because it's a half kit, and Rach has the other half, and hers pages work beautifully with these. All right, okay, then I've got the combined add-on kit and ephemera, and again this is half the kit, and Rach has the other half. So I've got one page of large tags. I love those, and the colors again are just awesome. Then one page of small tags. Okay, we've got a large envelope here. Isn't that lovely? Inside your shed. And then a page of smaller envelopes, so I really love those. Now you can print on the back of these if you want, or stencil on the back of those, whatever you prefer. Then I've got a page of pockets here, so different shaped pockets, and then some more rectangular pockets, and these circles, which I love using on all sorts of, in different ways. That's the word I'm trying to say. Right, so we've got lots of those. Isn't it a cutie? And then we've got some a tab page as well. All right, so that's the add-on. And then the ephemera pack, which is part of the same kit now. You've got your altered postcards there. Love those. And then we've got a couple of pages of ephemera. So these I've put together here. So we've got bees, we've got sheds, we've got all sorts going on, little birds, seed packet things. I had to bring in some little ducks, a little English cottage, because why not, you know. Yeah, so all sorts of goodies there. I do love this. So this is probably one of my favorites. All right, I've got some little stamps that I've made, all sorts of things. And then a page of fussy cuts as well, so that are separate to the other. All right, so we've got all of those. We can add all of those, and I love adding bits and pieces to as little elements to what I make. So you can never have enough of those. Had to add a garden gnome, didn't I? So there he is. Okay, and then lastly, I've really gone above and beyond. I had such a lot of fun putting these sentiments together. So there we go. We've got some gorgeous garden sentiments there. All right, so those are the two kits. And as I said, this is 2 kits where I normally would have 4. You've got 2. because Rach has the other half. So do not forget to pop over. Now that's not all, guys. I've also put together my bundles. Now I know that you love my bundles and I haven't disappointed you. I have got them today. Just in case, oh sorry, before I move over to the bundles, the printer kit is available. You will get 25 pages of the journal pages and the background pages, as I showed you. You will get the 13 ephemera and add-on pages. You will also get your 12 pages, which will be double-sided printed, all right, with the pages here, and then an extra 13 pages. That's 63 pages in that kit, in case, the details of which are in the product description if you want to go and read up on the listings. All right, okay, so moving on now, let's grab the bundles. So the first bundle that I have is my fabric bundle, and if you were trying to guess which pages you're going to use for the fabric, this is the page I designed for the fabric. So here is my journal cover fabric, and I will be making my journal cover out of this. It's a piece that's 18 inches by 11. It's enough to make an A5 size journal with a 3-inch spine, easily. 3.5 inch I've actually done before. All right, so that is the fabric, and I love it. Okay, so that's what I made especially for this, and I think it's perfect with all those garden elements. You also get 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces of fabric, and these are 7 by 10 inches, just enough to decorate everything we need to do in our journal. All right, so that's the size there. All the details of this are in the product description. My bundles are only available from my website shop, angelakerrdesigns.com. So you've got the aquas, the greens, the blues, you've got some ticking. You've got these beautiful greens with yellows, and we've got Liberty of London, we've got Rose and Hubble, beautiful quality cottons here, and I love this one, aqua. All right, so that's the fabric bundle, and that all goes together there. So let's just pick that up. Right, the next bundle I have is my lace bundle, and again, these are all the blues, the aquas, the greens, the creams, and everything else, cotton lace and capure lace that I have gathered to work with a garden theme. So you have got lovely little flowers. This one's 1/2 meter, but all the rest are 1 meter in length. Beautiful cotton colors here. I just love that. Oh, look, it matches. So we've got greens, we've got blues, we've got all sorts going on here, and this is going to work beautifully with our other bundles. I'll get to that in the end. All right, and then I've got my ribbon bundle. So you've got 18 different ribbons here. This particular one, which is 1 inch wide, is 2 meters, and all the rest are 1 meter. And as you can see with the kit that we have been looking at, let me just grab a page here. You can see how beautiful those all match together. So really lovely. This particular one here is double-sided, so you've got a lovely teal blue at the bottom and a light on the other side, so it's reversible. You've got little flowers, a lot of floral bits on here, and just perfect to match with our theme. So I'm really excited about this. Now, just so that you know, you can grab the fabric bundle, the ribbon bundle, and the lace bundle as a single purchase on their own, but I also, and always, and my most popular is the ultimate bundle. Now my ultimate bundle, like always, includes your ribbon bundle, your lace bundle, and your fabric bundle. But as a little thank you for buying all 3 of them, I like to give you a couple of freebies, and on this occasion it's going to be my awesome collection of buttons. Now these buttons I hunted high and low. You've got little floral ones, look at those, with green, blue, and yellow. We've got all the colors that we need, lots of blues, lots of greens, all sorts of lovely soft colors to match with all of this. So as you can see, that there's about 40 buttons in there, which I love using buttons in my journal. And the other freebie that I gathered is this lovely embroidered mini daisy that we're going to add. It's a freebie only with the ultimate bundle. You get a meter of these mini daisies. They're embroidered, so you get, I think they're 15 millimeters or 3/4 of an inch in width. So perfect, dainty little daisies, and that comes with your bundle. Now for me, the digitals obviously are available immediately as you're watching the video. The bundles are pretty much ready to go. However, I am going to Rach's retreat, which is this weekend. I'm making an appearance there to do a little tutorial for her guests, so I'm looking forward to that. So I will be posting these out Wednesday morning, from the ones that come in. I do have limited numbers, so that is obviously first come, first serve. So you can grab all of these, as I say, if you're interested, in my website shop, not my Etsy shop. My Etsy shop has all my digitals and my printed kits, but of course Etsy's costs are, I don't want to make this overly expensive because of deductions from fees, so I put this in my website shop. All right, if you have any questions at all, please just don't hesitate to ask. I'm always happy to answer. If you contact me on my email address, or which is on the screen below there, that's the best way to get hold of me. There are too many other social media ways to contact me, but it just makes my life very difficult having to field 6 different social media sites. So I prefer it if you just go to my email address, which I look at all the time. All right, so please, guys, we would love you to take part. Go and have a look at Rach's lovely offering. She's got beautiful pages. I was in awe with what she created. That I'm going to get her set and combine it with mine and put my journal together, and we're going to have 60 tutorials that we are going to be making all sorts of items to go into our journal project, which I'm very excited about, and I will be making one of them as well. All right, so I look forward to seeing you all soon. As I say, go and enjoy this. Go and pop over to her channel and get yourself all geared up, ready, and cut out all your papers and your ephemera and fussy cuts, and we will be ready to make a start on this on the 15th of March. Thank you guys so much for watching. Really value your support, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.